On June 13th at 3:45 a.m., the Bakersfield Police Department received a report that an adult male suspect had brandished a handgun at a convenience store clerk in the 2300 block of Panama Lane. The suspect then fled the business in a silver Mazda van with purple rims. A 2-officer patrol unit was dispatched to the business and located a silver Mazda van in the area with purple rims. A man standing next to the vehicle matched the description of the suspect, who was armed with a handgun. The following body camera footage is from the only officer who discharged his duty weapon and begins as the officers locate the suspect vehicle.
No, I don't see
no purple rims or nothing?
No, that's purple rims.
That's purple rims?
Yeah. Hey, man,
Hey, bro! Hey!
Hey, let me see your
Let me see your fucking hands! Let me see your fucking hands!
hand. Bakersfield Police, let me see your
Let me see your hands, bro!
Let me see your hand.
Let me see your hands, man! Get out the fucking car! Don't fucking go in the fucking car! Let's run, let's go! Yeah.
1L3 RP requesting. Call be held till 08.
Alright, let's do this, let's do this.
10-4. I'll show you tonight.
Like, I might just run up there and I might just snatch his ass because he's... Oh, shit! 998! 998! Full bill! Full bill! Full bill! Full bill! Shit!
998.
998! What direction are we headed? What direction are we headed?
Eastbound.
Shit!
Northbound on Zenith Street. 2 copies. Okay, northbound, complete Betty Street.
He ran in there. He ran in there.
Subject description.
Subject's gonna be a white male, black hat, blue long sleeve shirt, shorts. He's gonna have a beard as well.
White male, black hat, blue long sleeve shirt, shorts, and beard.
What street is this? I don't know. Fuck. They know.
Control 2, start setting up a perimeter. 10-4, I'll go with your location.
Right.
On West 52, take Baldwin and Farms for the northeast, correction northwest perimeter. 1 Metro 4 to take off Fuerte and Nardu.
He's right. He's under the fucking car.
To take Panama.
Let me see your fucking hands. He's under the fucking car. There he is, right there.
Hey!
Let me see your fucking hands.
Roll out!
This firearm. Crawl the fuck out.
Drag him out. Get the fuck out. Roll out! Get on your fucking stomach and roll out! Get your fucking move! Get your hand behind your fucking back! Get your